Ah, well, let's do a back to school. Well, most schools are in. Most kids are in schools. Bailey, Bailey. Sorry. Back to school. Back to school. Kit. Survival kit. Whatever you want to call it. Um, I'm gonna show you what I carry to school. Um, you can switch it up. You can do whatever you want. Uh, this is what I carry. I don't carry a lot, but let's start with the bag. Um, for my bag choice, I love canvas. Is the new Outlander backpack. Yeah, I'm using flash because I still don't have a light. It has a pocket here, pocket over here, and a pocket over here. Inside it has a little change pocket. It has a few pockets over here. Very deep. Lots of room. Needs more pockets, but see there's pockets over here. Pocket right there. Well, we got the bag, so second thing, you need a good pair of headphones if you're walking or riding the school bus or you're taking city bus or something. My choice of headphones is the Skullcandy Crushers wireless. Now there's these are the wireless ones. There is, if I know what I did with my other ones, there's a wired version of this. A lot cheaper. That's about $150 right here. Depends if it's on sale. It's about $100. They are wired sometimes. Like if the battery dies, you can still feel the bass. But they got volume. They got bass control. They're pretty good. That's what I would choose. Earbuds. I don't have a personal favorite. I'm over overhead, over ear. I don't know what you'll call it. I'm more of a headphone person. I feel like they give more power and more of a feel than earbuds. If you do want earbuds, I would suggest LG Tone earbuds. Wish I had a box. I don't know where my box went. The LG Tone. I think I got a pair right here. These are the wired ones, but this just goes. It's wireless. Yeah, wireless, but the earbuds are connected. They do have one where earbuds are not connected to this. It's completely wireless. There's about $40 to $50 for this. Let's see here. What was I going to say? Oh, I got it up here. What did I do with that? Okay. Third choice. Third choice. Of a survival kit. Some schools are cold. It depends on your area. Two sweatshirts I choose for right now. I will probably include a heavy one in here for when it gets really cold. But for right now, where it's summer still a little bit. Not that cold weather. These are the two jackets I would choose. And you can get them at Walmart. This is the Faded Glory. Very nice sweatshirt. My second one is a Swiss Tech sweatshirt. Now this is kind of heavy, but it keeps you warm. Heavy jacket I would probably use for more at winter. I would probably use my Carhartt jacket. During the fall when it's really cold, I'll use my Dickies jacket. That's very light, not that heavy. So those are the jackets. See, most kids don't have binders, but if I had a binder, I would go with, I'm trying to think what it's called. Man, what was it? Those, I would try to find the best binder that would suit you. It would really suit you. But mostly high school, I would find a binder like at my Kroger's. They have this binder that opens up and it's got like a file cabinet built into it, or whatever you want to call it, a file section. Those are really good to have. You can organize your papers, your homework, whatever you want. And if the teacher says you didn't turn this in, or you don't have this, you just pull out the file and you just say, here it is. I did that all through high school, so that's why I would go. My choice of probably entertainment is either my phone or my laptop. My choice of laptop is my Chromebook. Simply because it's cheap. Probably $150. Maybe less, I don't know. This is my... I lost track of what number I'm on. But if you need to write down notes, you can get like a little notepad, or and it doesn't have to be, what the heck? I'm a big Write in the Rain fan. This is like a little binder about the size of my hand. It folds open. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4 pens in here. And Write in the Rain notebook. And I've got a compartment over here, I've got a compartment here. Do not bring matches to school. Do not. I got this summer, so I haven't carried to school yet. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah, my choice. Pens. Most schools require to have a black and blue pen. So I would recommend these big grip rollers. This one's black, this one's blue. My school, they require to have. I don't know about your school, but if you want something fancy, you got Write in the Rain where you write upside down and all that nonsense. Just don't get a fancy pen. Fancy pens are not worth it. Because you gotta change the ink, and the ink is about $20-$30. They tend to explode. Yeah, whatever. My battery bank choice is a Charge. I've been using this for about 2 years. You can't tell on camera, but I used it this vacation. Charge. It has a flashlight, 2 USBs. Hey. My other thing I carry to school, and you can get this at Myers. This is good to carry at school because it doesn't have any sharp objects in it. It just has gauze pad, bandages, and alcohol swabs, and this is safe to carry to school. I get these all the time at Myers, and they're like $1. They're very handy. My choice of shoes, Converse, especially the newer Converse that feel durable and everything. Since I work, I really don't wear these. I wear my work shoes. I don't really go to school. I do a day program for disabled kids to help get jobs and stuff. I go there and they take me to my job. But when I'm not working on the days, I'm basically wearing these. Not these, actually, my gray ones. Converse. And your choice of hat. My choice of hat. Give me a Carhartt hat. $15 on Amazon. I know if you walk around at night, like not walk around at night, but when it gets colder outside, fall, and it starts to get dark while you're walking to school. It's dark while you're walking to school. I would recommend a Life Gear flashlight, simply because it's got high, low, and strobe, and high and flasher. This is the Be Seen, Seen and Be Seen light version. You can carry it to school. I think. Well, our schools we can. Some every school is different. They don't allow you get like a cheap pocket light like this. High, low, and a strobe. Or the double A's. That's what I would carry to school. Let's see. And if this bag, if you're more of a messenger bag or something like that, I would. I don't see it. Okay. So that's what I would carry to school. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I gave you ideas.